I am just here to narrate my experience as a customer here. Saideep is a 260-bed hospital in Ahmednagar, which is a tier 3 city. That's why I am here as a customer, end user, and my experience with the Mindray products. We have patient monitors, we have defibrillators, we have anesthesia workstation, we have central monitoring system, obviously. We have syringe pumps, we have ventilators, we have operation theater lights, operation tables, and the moment which was very unique, which I would like to narrate, is in the second wave of the pandemic, COVID pandemic. Important or most pivotal thing was that what we experienced was the deficiency of the people who were there to take the decisions, because nobody knew what to do. Some people say it's a pneumonia, some people say it's the immunological thing, somebody said it was like free for all. You can do anything, and nobody knew what was happening. And we had 210 operational beds out of 260, and they were always full. Even our consultants were admitted, they were in ICU. And only thing that was helping us, that kept us going, was this thing, which is mobile viewer. At the moment, we have 64 beds which are available online and in real time. Our main physician was lying in the ICU, Dr. Deepak. He's a very senior physician in Ahmednagar. He had himself received tocilizumab. His wife was admitted beside him. She was also in shock. And he was going through on his iPad through all these patients. And in the next ward, he was managing and he was directing his duty doctors what to do and what not to. So if it wasn't there, if it had not been our CMS viewer, then we can't think how we would have managed these things. So my advice to all the, not the doctors, but the administrators or the procurement people or the technological IT people or biomedical engineers, to get your infra right. Because if your infra is not future ready, if it is not forward compatible, then you are going to suffer like anything, because you can't keep on renovating your infrastructure every now and then. And the devices which are going to be introduced in the near future, like every year they are going to introduce 5 to 7 new devices, and many of them would be PMLS. So if we are not ready, then I don't think that it is not going to help us. So this is a real experience from a real customer from a tier 3 city.